Question 2. A car moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second is behind a truck moving at a consistent velocity of 18 meters per second. When the car is 15 meters behind the front of the truck, the car acceleration uniformly at 1.8 meters per second square. The car continues at the same acceleration until it reaches the velocity of 25 meters per second, which is the legal speed limit. The car then continues at a consistent velocity of 25 meters per second until it passes the front of the truck. The distance the car traveled while accelerating in meters is closest to what? So we use what we have, what was given, which is the equals 20 per second. And we can say that the truck, whereas the car goes 25 meters per second, acceleration 0.8 meters per second, so 2 equals V2 minus V2. So we use this equation here, V2 minus VO2 over 2A. So we take 25 squared minus 20 squared over 2 times 1.8. You put that in your calculator, you get S equals 62.5 meters, which A is 58, B is 50, so if A is 58, B is 50, C is 62, D is 54, E is 66. We can eliminate B for sure and D. The closest, we can eliminate A and E. We get C.